What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. This is really cool Marklin locomotive, actually glass train, like a Tram, 75th anniversary of real thing. So really nice, highly detailed, everything supposed to be working with interior lights when it's operational. Long story short, I got it, the motor issue, no problem. So customer sent me original motor Marklin, and that's how I'm determining plus minus a couple of years the model manufacturer, about here in the manual, or you can download manual. Well, end of 2010, 09, 10, especially for event. And that was surprised me when I look inside and found this board, and this is not sound decoder, it's just regular Marklin decoder for motor control and functions, and that thing with the prom with some sounds. So I hook up to Marklin station, and I can read it. It's pure MFX, give me a nice picture, everything's peachy, but it's not, it doesn't have like sounds. It has sound of announcement, then it control light functions, I believe. Right now I really don't care because I'm going to remodel the whole thing. I'm going to use original board because that's how they holding the motor in the original board, but literally 2010, it was MFX version 3 around for like a couple of years already anyway. So maybe it has a sound, it's maybe not working, or if it doesn't, there is new ASU file for it for version 5, full features and everything's cool. So 6 LEDs inside of that top for interior lights, headlights, rear lights, depends on direction, and also those lights, those just white, and those are color red and white, changing when direction is changing. One set is not working of LEDs. Those days Marklin LEDs, I'm also surprised, they kind of, again, it's 2010, a couple of years before LED manufacturer industry just like put a lot of stuff out. Anyway, so I'm going to remodel the whole thing right now. Original board, 21 pin, just need to rewire everything for Lock Sound version 5, and here we go. I'm going to do live broadcast installations on DCC Train live channel, link in the description, and I'll pin the comment. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.